Hey fellow Apple Watch nerds, if this is your first time on the channel, my name is Brian. I am a huge Apple fanboy. I love all things Apple, but the thing I love about Apple the most is the Apple Watch. I love this thing. I've owned every generation. I've had one since day one, and I wear it all day, every day, other than a couple hours just to charge it. I do wear it to sleep. I'm one of those crazy people. But today we're going to be talking about a few leather bands from a certain company called Nomad. You probably heard about them before. They're very well known with especially their leather products. They make leather iPhone cases, a leather case for the AirPods, leather bands. They also have a wireless charging dock thing that is always out of stock. It seems like they can't, the demand is so high. But today we're going to be talking about the bands. I can't wait to talk about them. I've had them for the last few months, and I've been wearing them a lot since then. But before we get started, I do want to say that yes, Nomad did send me these bands for free, but they did not pay me. They did not ask me to say anything about them. So I can say whatever I want, and that's what I'm going to do. So let's get started talking about the bands. So Nomad was nice enough to send me 3 different bands. They sent me 2 versions of their traditional band and 1 of their modern band. All are made from Horine Leather. If you don't know what Horween Leather is, it's a company that specializes. They've been around since 1905, and they are all about handmade leather, taking their time, making it right, making it strong, durable, all that good stuff, rather than trying to speed up the process. The other great thing about the Horween leather is it ages beautifully. They always call it patina, but all that really means is just as it ages, the color that changes, it gets a little darker and all that stuff. And I mean, it looks amazing as it ages. I love these bands. I've had them for the last few months. Out of these bands, I will say the modern band has become my favorite. I'm very much a thin band person. I lean towards those more than any. So this one's got it's nice and thin. It forms to your wrist a lot faster than the thicker ones. These will form, they have a break-in period. The thin band, like I said, I love the way it looks. It's just nice, clean, my preference on bands is, it looks good, but gets out of the way and lets the watch shine. I think most people will prefer the traditional just by the looks. It's got that nice stitching all the way around and just looks great, especially for fancier occasions. So they do actually accommodate both the silver and the black watches, which is great. So it will look great if you have the regular Apple Watch or the stainless Apple Watch. Black or silver, it goes with all of them. You just get the hardware, you select it when you order them. The cool thing is the lugs actually look different from Apple's. A lot of third-party bands have just copied what Apple made, and I really like their lugs. The great thing about it is when you put it on and you wear it, there's very minimal gap in between the watch and the band. Most of the time you can't even see a gap. Even Apple doesn't do that, and I really like that, the way that looks. It just looks, more flush, more seamless and all that stuff, and I think it looks a lot better than having a big gap there, and the gaps on some of the third parties varies in sizes, and it just doesn't look as nice. Another great thing about these bands is that they are super durable. So, Nomad has built them for daily use. So, I've mowed the grass in them, I've done some housework, yard work, all that kind of stuff in them, no problems. They've held up great, they look great, and now they are leather. You don't want to go swimming in them and all that stuff, but I've gotten caught in the rain and stuff like that with them on, and I'm not worried one bit. You kind of just dry them off or let them dry even, depending on how wet they get, and they'll look good as new in no time. Another weird thing that I will say about these bands is that they smell really good. I never noticed that with my Apple Watch leather band, but maybe it's something with the Horine Leather. but they just smell good. So you can call me weird down below. Don't worry, I can take it. Please, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about if you have a Horween leather band, if it smells different than a regular leather band, all that stuff. The only bad thing that I will say about these bands is that the traditional brown leather band, when I got it, the stitching was actually broke. I don't know if they just sent me this one. It also didn't come in a box, so maybe it was used or a defective unit since they were sending me them for free. I didn't reach out to them and ask for anything. I'm fine. It doesn't affect the band at all. It hasn't moved one bit. The stitching has just stayed there in its broken state. So I've been completely fine with it. It's always hidden behind the hardware anyway, so I don't even notice it when I'm wearing it. But I love these bands. They look great. They're going to continue to look great. They're supposed to continue to patina for at least the first year and just continue to age and look different. So I'm looking forward to what they're going to look like this time next year. Maybe I'll do a follow-up review then. But highly recommend these bands. Check them out. Nomad, links down below. They make a bunch of other awesome products. They have cases for the iPhone. I'm going to get one of those tomorrow. I also have this leather case for my AirPods that I love. I've had it since March. It's aged beautifully. It's also kept my AirPod case looking brand new. If you'd like to hear me talk about it in a future video, let me know. Comment down below. Also, thank you for watching. If you can, please hit that thumbs up. It helps a ton for people to find the content and all that stuff. And you can say it's been real, it's been fun. You might even say it's been real fun. And I will see you in the next one.